Hi, it's Lee here. Thanks for joining me. It's day 18 of Dephemerember 2022, hosted by Barbara from 49 Dragonflies and Luise from Junk Journal Art. So our prompts today are Handmade Stencil and notepad, and my randomly chosen animal is the toucan. Made stencils. I have made a couple. There's a little toucan that I cut out of Yupo. This one I made with that punch, and this one which is a slot punch. This is another little one that I made from this punch here, and then this one I made using this little hand punch and also my crocodile big bite. So note paper is the other thing that we need to use, or notepad. And I've got a whole heap of pieces here that are left over from previous journals that I've made and other bits and pieces, and this is just the offcuts or leftover signatures. So I'm thinking I'll just make some note pages to go into some of the pockets that are in my junk journal. So I'm going to start with the toucan, and I've got some cracked pistachio on this sponge dauber. Just see what sort of a print I can get on there. Hard to get right down. Not that great. So let's try this one. This is only made out of cardstock, so just got to be really light-handed with it. Yeah, it's not too bad, but again I think the brush would work better. Let me just see what's on the brush. I'm just going to use this one on the other side to clean the brush off. And that's working okay. This looks like black soot on here. So that one's a success. So I'll go back over to this side and see if I can get some of this on here, this cracked pistachio. Get a bit of colour in there. It's going to still be a little bit of the black soot in there. And that looks nice. But I want to put something extra on it, and I want to use some of these leaves and flowers. There's one piece of note paper to go into my journal. So let's get the next piece of paper. I have found in the shade on the ground, far from all worries and troubling sound. When I go there to be by myself, only me. No one can guess what I came there to see. There's a sun in the sky, there's a cloud drifting by. All kinds of birds make you wish you could fly. And in the distance I see someone waving at me. I hope that it's you, but who else could it be? I guess it would be nice to belong in your arms. I hope you feel the same way too. Na 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 na
by myself, only me. No one can guess what I came there to see. Do up,